will they will be ending by 1, then 4, and you tell me.
Ma'am, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 9,
And
1.
0,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Yeah. After that, how many non-perfect square numbers are there, right? Between 3 square and 4 square. Okay. We understood how do we find. It's very simple. How do we find that? We simply do 2n, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
So
this
for the
here,
smallest number and the biggest
yeah,
number is n plus 1 square, and then the smallest number is n, and then we multiply n by 2 and we get our answer.
yeah, we do 2n, right? And here n is a smaller number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
N is a smaller number. So 2 into 4, there are 8 numbers between 4 square and 5 square. In the same way, if we take any number, we can simply find how many numbers are there in between. Okay. Then we came to know about odd numbers. Like how do we, you do without adding, you can find the answer like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay. So you just count the number and take the square, and that is your answer. Today, whatever I am giving you, it's you need to send your answer in the chat box. Okay, we are going to do some revision, so we are going to do some practice. By doing so, I will come to know that how much work you know, and whatever you have learned till now. Okay, all right. And after that, we also learn how do we like find, let's say 7 square is 49, so how I can express this 49 as the sum of two consecutive numbers, right? This also we have learned. Now, ready for the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now I will start giving you question. What's the day today?
6th, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, for the first question. Now you need to write your answer in the chat box. What will be the unit digit of the square? What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? Okay. Following numbers. Okay. So first number I'm giving you. Let's write a first number I'm giving you 81. What will be the unit digit of the square? Very good. All right. Next question. Tell me for this question. Okay. I can see one answer is wrong. Rahim. Rahim, you are joining for the first time today?
No, ma'am. I joined on Monday, but I couldn't join on Tuesday because I was out.
Is it, have you joined through your name only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me your complete name.
Ma'am, Amateur Rahim.
Amatur.
That's my
Okay.
complete name.
Yeah. So if you do 81 into 81, the unit place will be 1 only. 799. So see, 9 square is 81. So your unit place will be 1 here in this case. Okay. Next question. 52698. What will be the unit place in this question? What will be the unit place? Great. 4. Correct answer. Perfect. Now, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So I can see that you are doing these type of question. So I will be moving ahead, right? Without wasting our time. Now,
I will get the answer wrong.
what? Who is asking?
Ma'am, this like to get this type of answer, we need to multiply with the same number. Is it like that?
That is the meaning of the square, Lasya. The meaning of the square is number multiplied by itself. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If the meaning of the number, see, what is the meaning of 52,698 square? It is this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, whenever you will start your question, you will multiply first 8 into 8, which is 64. So whatever your answer, but your answer will end with 4. Okay. Next question. The following numbers are not perfect square. Okay. Following numbers are not perfect square. All right. Now you have to tell why they are not perfect square and you need to send your answer in the chat box. Okay. I'm writing, but why? So you have to give answer for this why, right? Now, next. First question, 1057. Why this is not a perfect square? Quickly write your answer in the chat box. Why this is not a perfect square? Wow. I got answer from Nayanika, Krishna, Charantej, Rahim, Varshisht. How many answers I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answer correct. And there are 7 kids who has not sent the answer. Allah say you. Exactly. So, because the unit place of the number is 7, okay, tell me one thing. You can see each other's answer. My God. Wait, I am changing the settings. And then your answer will not be. Wait, let me change the settings.
Ma'am, actually, do we need to type it in the chat or can we just write the number with why is it
No,
not
no,
a
no, no.
perfect
You
square?
can see what I am saying. You can see what whenever I'm doing question, you can see each other's answer,
Ma'am,
right?
we can send you directly, right, ma'am? Like there's an
No, now
option.
you don't worry. Now you cannot say, you will not be able to see each other's answer. Fine. I have made the setting, and if
I have one
from
doubt.
the next class, if I am not able to do, then you just tell me, okay? All right. Next question. Ready? So your next question is
Ma'am, excuse me.
yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me who is saying excuse me,
Ma'am, like
ma'am.
I'm not able to type in my
What?
ma'am, I'm not able to type in my tab because it's like getting hanged. Getting hanged.
Okay. Okay, that's the other issue. But earlier you were able to
So,
see each other's answer. Now, now you will.
ma'am, can I just
Wow,
type the
Rahim,
numbers
very
like
good.
in 1057?
Charan Tej correct. Nayanika correct. Need other answers as well. Yeah, very good. So you all are saying that the unit place, this number is unit place is 10. Oh, sorry, 8. So perfect squares do not end with 2, 3, 7 and 8. That's the reason, right? Okay, let's quickly move ahead. Let's do the next question. Okay, so here we go with the next question. Your next question is, okay. Your question is, okay, yeah. Send your answer in chat box. Super fast. Nainika. Perfect. Yeah. So because there are 5 odd numbers, so your answer will be 5 into 5, which is 25. Okay. So let's do next one. This was A. We are going to do next. Do this question. Give me your answer.
Ma'am, how did 40 come in here?
Who is asking this? Who asked this? Gagana. And you know, rest, so many of you have given answer as well. So many of you have given me answer as well.
Ma'am, my
Still
answer
getting
was
answer.
imperfect square, ma'am.
Wait. Kids, the thing which I told you, it should be a series of odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. But intentionally, I gave you this 30, 14, due to which this question became wrong. The way you have found the answer is not applicable here. Okay. The correct answer is this. The correct question is this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 9 square. That is 9 into 9, 81. Now, if there is an odd number or missing, if there is an even number, or let's say any number is missing, then it is wrong. It's not correct at all. Okay, let's do next question. Okay, this time express.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I just joined because I had another class. Can you tell what you have done until now?
I'm telling you, wait. Express 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay. Those who have joined late, till now, today we have just done revision and today we are doing practice. Express 40, because see, I am teaching you, but how will I come to know that you have learned or not? Unless until you are solving few questions. Okay? Yeah. So express 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. Quickly do it. No, I am not asking 2. I am asking you 7 odd numbers.
Ma'am,
Okay.
sum or product?
Krishna, correct answer. Gagna, correct answer. Varshist, correct answer. Rahim, correct answer. Karthik, correct answer. Great, kids. Mind blowing. Okay, Shrestha, wrong answer. 777 will be wrong. Okay, so kids, as we know, if we have series of odd numbers, so if you want to find the sum, so you just count the number and multiply, take the square of that number. Now you know that you can write 49 as 7 into 7, which is the square of 7. So what will you do? You
Ma'am,
will,
I said
You will simply write 1 plus 3. You have to write pair of first 7 odd numbers. And that will be your 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. That's your answer. Okay. Charan, wrong answer. 49 can be written as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Okay. Now, let's discuss about the okay, one more thing. Right now I'm just taking one question so that I will come to know whether you understood or not. When I will be giving you assessment or I will be giving you practice question, in that I am going to give you all the questions. Okay, and if you will face any doubt in that, then I will clear it. Right? All right, now let's move ahead. Pythagorean triplet. You were asking me, ma'am, when we are going to do it. Pythagorean triplet. So tell me how anyone, do you know what do you understand by this word Pythagorean triplet?
Actually,
for
last
example,
year, Pythagoras and Pythagorean is different, ma'am.
Yeah, that is Pythagoras theorem, and related to that only we have Pythagorean triplet.
ma'am, for example, 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square.
Yeah. So when you take the number of 2 square, right? Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you take the square and you add them, and that is the, okay, let's say 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in this, you will take square of 2 number, and that is equal to the sum of square of third number. What is 3 square?
9,
9,
What is 4 square?
15,
15,
And what is 5 square?
25,
25.
Now 19 plus 16,
25, ma'am.
25.
27.
Do you see? This is, so
Pythagorean
3,
theorem.
4, 5 are known as Pythagorean triplet. Okay. All right. Let's take another number. Let's check with other number. Let's say 5, 6, 7. What is the square of 5?
25.
25.
What
Can you
is
go
the
up a little bit? I'm not done.
6 square? Just a second, I'm going up. What is the 6
36.
square?
36.
36.
36,
Okay. What is the 7 square?
49. Ma'am, it
49.
won't come, ma'am.
49. So, what is 25 plus 36?
51.
51. Is it
Oh, ma'am,
equal to
61.
49?
61. No,
No,
ma'am.
So, here we can say 5 square plus 6 square is not equal to 7 square,
7
right?
square.
So, they are they Pythagorean triplet?
No, ma'am.
No,
They
ma'am.
are not Pythagorean triplet. Okay.
Ma'am, 11, 12, and 13
Okay.
Pythagorean
Now who
triplet.
was saying move up?
Ma'am, Shresha.
Ma'am, 11, 12, and 13 Pythagorean
Yeah.
triplets.
I will tell you one more thing. First, is it fine now? Till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have a doubt about our coming up test, ma'am, like the objective test.
Yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am told like we need to learn all the polygons. Only about the polygons we will get.
See, that I don't know. You need to discuss with your ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Is it fine, kids? Now, can I go down? Tell me. Can I go down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Fine. Are you writing this also?
8 and 10 are also Pythagorean triplets.
Are you writing this also?
Ma'am, can you show the 5, 6, 7 one?
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
You
Just
can
a
note
minute.
down that the square of two number is not equal to the square of third. That's why they are not Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now, you came to know about what are Pythagorean triplet. Now the thing is,
Yes.
how do we find that? How do we find Pythagorean triplet? That's the question. Let's say I have given you one, okay, one more thing. I will tell you one interesting fact here. If you take if you take a pair of Pythagorean triplet, let's take 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's take 3, 4, 5. Now, if you will take multiple of these numbers, will they also be Pythagorean triplet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Let's say if you multiply 3 by 2, 3 twos are
Yes, ma'am.
6,
6.
4 twos are
Ma'am,
8.
it won't be a Pythagorean triplet,
5
ma'am.
twos are
It
10.
will be an
Do
Pythagorean.
you think these numbers are Pythagorean triplet?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
I can see
Yes,
some no
ma'am.
also.
They
Who
are
is saying
Yes,
no?
Pythagorean.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying
I
no?
am saying no, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's check.
No, ma'am.
6 square, 36. 8 square, 64. If you add them, you get 100. And 10 square is also 100. So if you have a Pythagorean triplet, if you take their multiples, they will always be Pythagorean triplet. Okay, they are Pythagorean triplet.
Ma'am, then 12, 16 and 20. Ma'am, then
Yeah.
12, 16 and 20 are Pythagorean triplets, ma'am.
Yeah, if you multiply 3 by 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, and 5 threes are 15. Okay, this time you check if they are not or if they are or not. You check, it's your turn.
They are, ma'am.
They are?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, they are.
They are. Even if you multiply this by 4, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16, and 5 fours
20,
are
ma'am.
20.
20.
See, 144 and this is 196. Now 100, 200, 240, 240 plus 90, we get 300 and
40,
how much
ma'am.
it is?
Ma'am, 340.
Did I,
Ma'am,
what is
not
this? Wait.
196, ma'am.
What it is,
54.
it should be 256. My mistake. Right. 256. 100, 300, 340, 390, 400. Yeah, this time see. And 20 square is also 400. Now, if you take any pair of Pythagorean triplet, and if you multiply all the numbers with the same number, so answer will always be your Pythagorean triplet. Fine.
Ma'am,
They are also, this is a pair of Pythagorean triplet. This is a Pythagorean triplet pair. Yeah.
ma'am, so even 15, 15,
15,
20
12.
and 25 are Pythagorean triplets, no, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. In fact, I will be telling you, see, if you, okay, let's say I am giving you two Pythagorean triplet, okay. I am saying two Pythagorean triplet are these, 6 and 8. What is the missing one? Now, if you know the basic Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5, this is the multiple of 3, this is the multiple of 5. So you do not, without finding, you can say that this is 10. Okay.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
both two multiples are two numbers are multiple of 3 and 4. So third one be definitely multiple of third triplet. Okay. Now the question is, let's say I am giving you one multiple, right? I am saying find
Ma'am,
Pythagorean
a little bit up.
Yes. Triplet of 8. How will you find? Any answer? How will you find Pythagorean triplet of 8? Someone was saying, I have
Ma'am,
little bit doubt. Please clear your doubt right now.
ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we know the basic 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplet, then we can see that the 8 is the multiple of 4, ma'am.
Okay.
So the
Any
other
other way?
two are 3 and
Yes.
5, ma'am. So we can multiply.
All right. Now, if I give you condition that 8 is the smallest member of those triplet, in that case, what you are going to do? Then that
Ma'am, it's
thing
not
is not
possible,
going
ma'am.
to work.
Ma'am, it's not possible, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So it is possible. I am going to tell you. Okay. Now, right now, I am not giving you any condition. So if you want to find Pythagorean triplet, if one number is given and I am saying that you find the Pythagorean triplet, then for any given number, you right? How do you find Pythagorean triplet? 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equals to m square plus 1 whole square. Here, this m is your natural number. Now, I am not going to explain this, right? Right now, we are not. Not going to explain this. If you want to find Pythagorean triplet and you have a number, you simply do 2m, right? You do m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now, how do we find? See, it is given that the one number is already given. Fine. Now, what you are going to do? Anyone would like to explain here what we can do? Okay. So we need to find the value of this m, right? We need to find the value of this m. You
Ma'am,
can
we
take
need to-
anyone.
We need to find the value of m.
We'll do with all of these three. Okay, I will show you with all three things. Take your 8 and keep 2m is equals to 8, right? What will be the value of m here? Tell me, what will be the value of m?
Ma'am, 4.
4. M is
4.
equal to 4, right? So, definitely, first Pythagorean triplet is 2m, which is 8. 4 into 2. Next is m square minus 1. So, 4 square minus 1. What is 4 square?
15, ma'am. Total answer.
15. 15. M square plus 1. What is m square?
17, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
16
16,
plus 1,
ma'am.
17. So, we got 3 Pythagorean triplets.
17.
Ma'am, how
Okay.
to solve the first before equals to, ma'am, like the left hand side?
Who is asking this? You have done equations?
Yes, ma'am, like the
See, this 2m is equals to 8. So this 2 is
your voice is
multiplied.
breaking, that's why, ma'am.
I think you are having network issue because the other kids are getting my voice. Am I right, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Lasya, do you have network issue?
Ma'am, now it's set from like the power.
Yeah, I see. There's a rainy season or it's raining today, so you can have. I'm telling you again. Don't worry, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See, 2m is equals to 8. So the operation of 2 and m is multiply. So it will turn into division when you will shift this 2 on the other side. Have you done equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
so you know how to solve equation if I give you 2m is equals to 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How do
ma'am.
you
8
solve
divided
it?
by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. Now, see, you know how to find Pythagorean triplet. See, whenever you have one triplet, you can equate that with anyone unless until condition is not given. If condition is given, then you have to check. We'll discuss what is the meaning of this condition now. Let's find through this m square minus 1. M square minus 1 is equals to 8. Now, m square is equals to 8. If you transfer minus 1 on the other side, it will become 8 plus 1, 9. Now, m is equals to 3.
3, ma'am.
You can write 9 as 3 into 3. So
Yes,
your
ma'am.
m will be 3, right? Now, what are the other two triplets? Other two triplets is, this is your m square minus 1 is equals to, you got m3.
8,
So
ma'am.
2m is equals to 2 into 3, which is 6.
6.
Then m square plus 1, which is 3 3s are 9 plus 1,
7, ma'am.
10.
10, ma'am. 10.
And 3 3s are 9 minus 1.
8.
M square minus 1 is equals to 8. These
8,
are
ma'am.
your
I'm
three
6 method, ma'am.
Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now, let's find through this one first. As I'm telling you that you can take any one of them first. M square plus 1 is equals to, keep 8 again. Right? Now, see. M square plus, sorry, is equals to 8 minus 1. Here, kids, you cannot find value of m. So this is not possible. Okay, you cannot find your Pythagorean triplet using this equation. Are you getting my point?
Ma'am,
Because
yes, ma'am.
here we got stuck. We were not able to find the value of m. Here, value of m will not be a real number.
Ma'am, there is no perfect square, ma'am.
Yes. That's why you will not be getting a natural number. So from this, your answer is not possible. There are two ways to find. Either you can equate 2m is equals to 8, or you can do m square minus 1 is equals to 8. You can do any one of them. Okay? All right. Now, as I was asking you that if I say find the Pythagorean triplet of 8, where 8 is the smallest one. Now, which answer is correct? First part or second part?
Second one, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
First one,
First
ma'am.
part, ma'am.
First one.
part, ma'am.
See, if I find my answer, if I find my answer with the help of m square minus 1 is equals to 8, then see, 8, the smallest number you are getting is 6, which do not fulfill your need. In the case of first, see 8, 15, 17. 8 is the smallest number. In that case, this one is correct. I hope you understood that.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
See
Now,
again.
what?
Ma'am, could you say again?
Yes. See, earlier I told you that find Pythagoras triplet of 8. I did not give you any condition. So you can equate, you can pick any of equation of your choice and you can equate your number and you can get other triplet. But if I keep this condition that find Pythagorean triplet of 8 where 8 is the smallest one. In this case, if I find m square minus 1 is equals to 8. Now, the triplet I found 6, 10, 8. 8 is not smallest in this case. The smallest one is 6. This is not fulfilling my condition. Okay. Now, if I go with the case of 2m is equals to 8, I found 8, 15, 17. 8 is my smallest number. So, this is the right way. I will find my Pythagorean triplet with 2m is equals to 8. My answer will be correct from that way. Okay. If condition is given, then you have to check with the other equation also. If condition is not given, then anyone you can pick.
Ma'am,
So
but
did you?
ma'am,
Yeah.
but is 8, 15 and 17 a Pythagorean triplet?
Yeah, 8, 15 and 17 are Pythagoras triplet. Check. Let's check.
Ma'am,
What is 8 square?
64.
64.
Yes, ma'am. They are
8 is, sorry, I don't know what I'm, 8 is square is
64, ma'am.
64. 15 is square 225.
Yes, ma'am.
17 is
225.
square 289. Add. See, 289 is equals
Yes,
to 289.
ma'am.
They are Pythagorean triplet.
Ma'am, it's a
Ma'am, I
triplet.
have a doubt.
All right, now tell me,
Ma'am,
what
ma'am,
did we? Yeah.
what if they give the find the Pythagorean triplet of a number which is an odd number? Ma'am?
What?
If they give a single number, odd number. Ma'am, if they give an odd number and say to find the Pythagorean triplet.
Yeah. Then you can pick m square plus 1 or m square minus 1 first. See,
Ma'am,
if you see, I did not get an answer through this one. Do you see? I did not get answer through this one. So you can check with any one of the equation, okay? If you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
odd number, then you can equate with this m square plus 1 is equals to 8. You will get an even number, right? We'll do more question, don't worry. All right, kids, now tell me, what did I teach you
ma'am, I
today?
have a doubt.
Ask your doubt.
Ma'am, finding
What if
Pythagorean.
the single digit number that they give is a prime number and they ask you to do it from 2m, starting with 2m?
You will not be getting this. How it is possible? Tell me. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but is it possible for
And it's your
others?
choice. No, if you're getting, yeah, definitely. You will not be getting, see, whenever you are finding Pythagorean triplet, it's your choice which equation you are using. That is the reason. Do you notice? I have solved with all of the three. If you take 2m first, if you take m square minus first, if you take m square plus 1 first. See, sometime it will happen that if you take m square minus 1 and you will not be able to solve till end, then you will have to choose m square plus 1, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll do question, then you will understand it properly. Okay, now tell me kids, what did we learn in today's class?
Ma'am, we revised
Ma'am,
our
how to find Pythagorean triplets?
May I?
We
Yeah.
learned about Pythagorean triplet.